Ever found yourself scrambling for a pen and paper to check your sales figures while you're away from the store? Or maybe you're at a trade show and a potential customer wants to know about your inventory. Running a business means being flexible, being mobile, and having access to your data wherever you are. That's why so many business owners ask, does Lightspeed have a mobile app? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the mobile capabilities of Lightspeed, break down what you can and can't do on your phone or tablet, and ultimately answer the question. Is the Lightspeed mobile app a game changer for your business? Or is it something you can live without? Lightspeed is a popular point-of-sale, POS, and e-commerce platform used by businesses of all sizes, from small boutiques to large retail chains. It's known for its robust features, including inventory management, customer relationship management, CRM, and reporting. But in today's fast-paced world, having access to these features on the go is crucial. So let's get straight to the point. Yes, Lightspeed does offer mobile apps. In fact, they offer a few different ones, each designed for specific purposes. This is where things get a little more nuanced. It's not just one app that does everything. Think of it as a suite of mobile tools, each catering to a different aspect of your business. First, we have the Lightspeed Retail mobile app. This is probably the one most people are curious about. This app is primarily geared towards managing your in-store operations. Imagine you're on the sales floor. A customer asks about a product's availability in another location. With the Lightspeed Retail app, you can quickly check inventory levels, transfer stock between stores, and even process sales right from your mobile device. This is incredibly useful for line busting during peak hours or for taking sales at pop-up shops or events. Beyond sales, the retail app also allows you to manage your customers. You can look up customer profiles, view their purchase history, and even add new customers to your database. This is invaluable for providing personalized service and building customer loyalty. Imagine being able to greet a returning customer by name and instantly recall their previous purchases. That level of personalization is now possible right from your phone. Another key feature of the Lightspeed Retail mobile app is its reporting capabilities. You can access key sales data, such as daily sales totals, best-selling products, and sales by employee. This allows you to keep a pulse on your business performance even when you're not physically in your store. You can identify trends, spot potential issues, and make informed decisions from anywhere. Now, let's talk about another important mobile offering from Lightspeed, the Lightspeed Restaurant mobile app. As the name suggests, this app is specifically designed for restaurants and other hospitality businesses. It offers features tailored to the unique needs of the restaurant industry, such as table management, order modifications, and payment processing. Servers can use the app to take orders at the table, send them directly to the kitchen, and process payments, all without having to run back and forth to a POS terminal. This streamlines the entire service process, improves efficiency, and enhances the customer experience. But here's a crucial point. The Lightspeed Restaurant app is not the same as the Lightspeed Retail app. They are separate apps designed for different business types. If you own a restaurant, you'll want the restaurant app. If you own a retail store, you'll want the retail app. There's also the Lightspeed On-Site mobile app, which is geared towards businesses using the On-Site platform. On-Site is a more robust, desktop-based POS system that's often used by larger businesses with complex needs. The On-Site mobile app provides access to key features of On-Site, allowing managers and staff to manage inventory, view reports, and perform other tasks remotely. So we've covered the main Lightspeed mobile apps: retail, restaurant, and on-site. But what about e-commerce? If you're using Lightspeed for your online store, you might be wondering about mobile access for that. While there isn't a dedicated Lightspeed e-com mobile app, the platform itself is designed to be mobile-friendly. You can access your Lightspeed e-com back office through any web browser on your phone or tablet. This allows you to manage your online store, process orders, and update product information from anywhere. Now, let's address some common questions people have about the Lightspeed mobile apps. First, are they free? The answer is yes. The apps themselves are typically included with your Lightspeed subscription. However, you will need an active Lightspeed account to use them. Another question we often get is, do the apps work offline? While some basic functionalities might be available offline, most of the core features require an internet connection. This is because the apps are constantly syncing data with your Lightspeed account in the cloud. So, after exploring all these different mobile options, let's circle back to our original question. Does Lightspeed have a mobile app? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, they have several, each tailored to different business needs. Whether you're running a retail store, a restaurant, or an online business, there's likely a Lightspeed mobile app that can help you manage your operations more efficiently. But here's the key takeaway. Don't just assume that one app will solve all your problems. Take the time to explore the different options available and choose the ones that best fit your specific business requirements. Consider your workflow, your team's needs, and the specific tasks you want to accomplish on your mobile device. Ultimately, the Lightspeed mobile apps are powerful tools that can empower you to run your business from anywhere. They offer flexibility, convenience, and access to critical data, all in the palm of your hand. By leveraging these mobile capabilities, you can streamline your operations, improve customer service, and ultimately, grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.